we all know that scales, well, they just work, don't they? So what we're going to do in this video is see how easy they are to use. So I'm not actually going to read any instructions. I'm going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to just do a test to see how easy it is to actually use them. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So these are from HomeEver, the electronic kitchen skills, and this is the K29H, and they cost, I think, around about £22, and I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So it says features: high precision division value 1G, weight ranging from 1G to 15 kilograms, overweight alarm. Oh, that's interesting. So, you know, if it's too heavy, you go. Negative white characters, LECD, it says. I'll read that again. Negative white characters, LCD, super toughened glass panel, so it shouldn't break. Auto power off, precise tar button for net weight, unit conversion, switch from grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces and milliliters. Very good. So let's get on with the unboxing bit, shall we? So I didn't actually buy these, by the way, they was actually sent to me, but you know what it's like. I would always do an honest review and hopefully give you the best experience. Nicely packaged, by the way, give them that. So we have a dear friend, I'm not going to read that out or anything like that. So we have a dear friend, thank you for buying all that. Oh, it comes with some batteries, I just noticed that, look. Two AAAs, two AAAs, nice. There's the instructions, it's quite thick actually. Like I said, I'm not going to read it. We're just going to plonk her on and see if she works. What's this say? Blue protective film, used solely for shipping. Right, so you need to peel this off. There you go. Get that out of the way. So let's have a quick look around. So it's got like a ruler up there. Goes up in centimetres. It's quite nice. It says HomeEver there. Maximum on off button and units. Simple enough. And obviously you put the batteries in here. Well, I hope it's obvious. So I'm going to leave them like that. I'm going to get some of my batteries out. So give me a second. Right, she is working, so we need to turn her off to reset it, I'm guessing. Oh, there you go, it's reset. No? Okay. It's on a wobbly table, so that seems to affect it. That seems to affect it slightly. It's just, hold that down, see what happens. Right, off. On. Don't touch nothing. Right, she's set. Right, I'm going to try it with an egg. Just going to place an egg on now, as it is. Okay? So, right, weighs the egg, so it's 38 grams. So it's 58 grams. Change the conversion to units, kilograms, 59. We have pounds, 130, 128. We have ounces. So, dead easy to use. Like I said, I'm not going to read the instructions, and I haven't. Oh yeah, very easy. Milliliters. And milk. What's that all about? Gram. Oh, missed out the grams. You went back to grams again. I'm going to leave it on grams. Milk. So yeah, what's that do? Does that do anything? No. Grams. Oh, we've reset it. Look. Take that off. It's going to be minus now. Let's reset it. So I'll take it to reset it. You touch the on-off button once. Don't hold it down, and it resets it. Right, 57. So, if you want to use a bowl, this is a glass bowl, and you put that on, obviously it's going to be wrong because you haven't reset it. So, quickly press the button, reset. So now that should weigh 58 grams. 57. Oh, it's lost weight. Right, let's just double check. It did say it will vary 1 gram, didn't it? It did say that. Let's reset that. Back to normal. 58 grams. And I'm wondering if it will vary if you put it in different positions. Yes, it does. So by 1 gram. Something to bear in mind. Perfect. So here we go again. Reset. Should say 58, 57, 58. There you go. Give or take 1 gram. Okay, 1 gram. So it does actually say that. So that works perfectly. I am going to add 3 eggs now. 3 eggs. 172 grams. Okay, so some of these are heavier than the others. See how much that weighs. That weighs 58. That one's 56. And that one is 59. So put all 3 in. 173. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah. So that's the eggs done. Let's do a bit of flour. Flour power. So I've just got a cheap packet of flour and my wife's going to moan at me for wasting this. But it's for YouTube. We've got to do it for YouTube. Oops. And I will test the alarm as well. Right, so I made a bit of a mess. She won't complain about the mess because it's on my desk. So it's 123 grams. Yeah, let's put it back on again. 124. Clean that mess off. 125. 123. So again, like I said, a variation of 1 gram somewhere along the line. So it's 124 once it's settled down. Right, let's change to units. So oh, I've done a reset. Oh no. Didn't mean to do that, press the wrong button. Something to bear in mind, don't press the wrong button because you mess it right up. So back to 0. So I'm going to have to put the flour back in now. Now I've messed it up. I'm going to have to do it again. I'm going to do it in the kitchen though. Back in a second. Right, I am back. Reset. Make sure you press the right button. So we're back to 0 again. Let's do my flour. I've come up with another idea as well, and I'm going to tell you about that in a second, because I'm sure someone's going to want to know. So it's 102 grams, or 102 kilograms, 224 pounds, 3.60 ounces, or 102 millilitres. Right. And 99 millilitres of milk. It's not flour to me, but there you go. And then back to grams. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a jug of water. I'm going to put it into the level it says on the jug. I'm not sure how accurate the jug actually is. And then we're going to weigh it, see if it makes any difference whatsoever. Right, so we have 300 millilitres of water. Put that on there. Now I'm not going to work it out, but if you want to work it out, let me know. Let me move that bag out of the way. Let me know what that translates to in weight. It's 300. It's just under 300 to be exact. And that comes to 278 grams, or 0.278 kilograms, 0.612 pounds, 9.80 ounces, 278 millilitres, or 270 millilitres of milk. I don't know why is milk different? Let me know in the comments what you think. You know, perhaps you know, I don't know why, but apparently milk's slightly different for some reason. There you go. So now what I'm going to do is test the alarm. We haven't tested the alarm yet, have we? And I think all I've got to do is push down. Jesus! What did it say? 15 grams or something for the alarm? 1 gram to 15 kilograms. Let's get the kilograms up. kilograms. Error. Comes up with an error. Oh, that's interesting. See that? Let's do it again. So it comes up with an error. So if you go overweight, it will go doesn't make no noise, it just comes up and says error. So that is really interesting. So that is it, my friends. That is these little scales here. And let me know what you think. Nice and clear display, by the way. Easy to read. Doesn't seem to get affected by light at all, actually. Yeah, it's very good. Yeah, very nice. Got a nice little rubber padding feet on the back. See that? Yeah. Nice little pads. Yeah. And does the job very well. So with that, let me know in the comments what you think. Whether you think this is a good little scales, or even if you can actually buy some of these. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and buy some of these. So with that, you know what to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It does help the channel to keep growing. It helps YouTube to spot that, you know, you're watching my videos and you're enjoying them. Or if you're not enjoying them, let me know. I need to know. Let me know in the comments what you find boring, what you'd like me to cut out, or anything like that. So with that, give my thumbs up. If you're looking for a pair of scales for weighing your food, whether it be eggs, flour, your cooking ingredients, stuff like that, let me know in the comments if you're looking for something like that, and this might be the baby for you. So with that, if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, very nice. Clean up the mess now.